Have a high-pitched squeal on my Husqvarna YT42DXLS tractor. Only hear it if I push the pedal in or engage the PTO to mow.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Husqvarna tractor? How old is it?
Have a high-pitched squeal in my Husqvarna YY42DL.
How long has this been going on with your Husqvarna tractor? What have you tried so far?
I have a high-pitched squeal in my Husqvarna YT42DXLS tractor. Only hear it if I push in the pedal or engage the clutch to mow.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I can think of.
Hi, I will be glad to try to help you. Just a quick observation, it appears that you have an idler pulley bearing that has gone bad. As these machines are used, the grease that is inside the bearings tend to wear out and then go away. Then the idler pulley bearings start to make noise. Not only do the bearing make noise, but these worn out bearings will cause the belt to start squeaking as it gets ready to ruin the belt. What I suggest you do is, 1. Take pictures of how the belt is routed so you will know how it goes back on. 2. Loosen or remove the belt so you can get to the idler pulley and so the belt is not touching the idler pulley. 3. With the belt off, or not touching the idler pulley, spin the idler pulley quickly with your hand and listen carefully. If the idler pulley makes any noise, then the grease is gone and the idler pulley will need to be replaced. There may be several idler pulleys that you may need to do this with. 4. The belt may be worn and may need to be replaced. Belt wear on their sides and then fall farther into the pulleys and then appear to now be too long. The belt then will slip on the pulleys when tension is put on it, causing a squeak. 5. There are also idler pulleys on the mower deck that can need to be replaced as well. Many times more than one idler pulley will be bad at the same time, as they are all about the same age. 6. One cause of bearings going bad is that you cannot ever wash any mower with water. The water will be sucked into the bearings through the seals and wash the grease out of them very quickly. You may also consider sending a bonus if I have been helpful. If you cannot give me one of the highest ratings, then please do not rate me at all until we discuss this answer further and you are happy with my answer. Please do that for me as that is the only way I get paid for my time. Thank you. But it is best for you to hit the link for the rating.
When the tractor is sitting there idling, there is no noise. Only when I press on the pedal or engage the mower. I checked the pulleys before I mounted the mower deck and even lubed them. My thoughts is that it might be in the one centrifugal clutch which is engaged when I start the mower.
Yes, it could be the electric clutch. The bearing inside the clutch could be going bad in the same way that I describes the idler pulleys going bad. But you have me very confused when you said that you even lubed the idler pulleys. The idler pulley bearings that usually cause your kind of noise are not capable of being lubed. They can only be replaced. The only bearings that can be lubed are the bearings on the mower deck spindles. If you did not actually check the idler pulley bearings, that would be the place to start. Even if you managed to use a needle and put some oil into the sealed bearings, the bearing would still be rough and would not work correctly. Even if they did quiet down a little bit, they would very quickly go back to where they were before and start making noise again very, very quickly. Replacing these, once they start making noise, is the only correct way to fix this issue. Also, the fact that it only makes noise when you push the pedal or turn on the mower deck is right in line with what I have told you. The electric clutch bearing could cause a noise when you engage the blades, but it has nothing to do with why it makes noise when you push the pedal. I hope this helps. Please keep me informed as to what you find. You have me curious now. You may also consider sending a bonus if I have been helpful. If you cannot give me one of the highest ratings, then please do not rate me at all until we discuss this answer further and you are happy with my answer. Please do that for me, as that is the only way I get paid for my time. Thank you. But it is best for you to hit the link for the rating. I was just checking to see if you were able to solve your issue. Please let me know how things worked out. You may also consider sending a bonus if I have been helpful. If you cannot give me one of the highest ratings, then please do not rate me at all until we discuss this answer further and you are happy with my answer. Please do that for me, as that is the only way I get paid for my time. Thank you. But it is best for you to hit the link for the rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.